Hi, good afternoon. This is John from Modern Auto Sales. Very excited. Got a car for you that's we just put on special. 2015 Chevy Spark. Follow me. Oh, by the way, I love the color. It's gorgeous. It's actually relaxing. It calms me. This car is equipped with alloy wheels. It's got power windows. It is a manual transmission, but that makes it 39 miles per gallon. Very good on gas, great price point. This car was listed out at $89.98, $69.98. It's all yours. Follow me, I'll show you. Look at the interior. Cup holders in the rear. If you want to go to the store, it's got the split folding rear seats. This comes off here as just a cargo cover. Beautiful car. Remember, $69.98. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We're making some great deals. Or go to our website, www.modern-auto.com. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon.